I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Photoroom app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to show for your list like this. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here until you're looking for Photoroom app. Then you click here on search, so then you add here photo roadmap. It's going to show for you like this here. Click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, click here on Play Store, then here you search for Photoroom app. It's going to show for you a list like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.